Hi, this is Erin Wiedemeyer, and I want to show you some quick ways to look for books on the school's catalog from the library. So if you go to the catalog page for your school, which you can access from Kimberly Area School District website or from the internet page, you'll find a link that says catalog. And with that catalog, we have a search box that come up. And some of these filters are actually really helpful. So the location can be changed to your school, or it can be brought into the whole entire school district. So just because you find no result at your school, you could easily borrow from other schools in the district. The other thing here to look for is sublocation. This is the smaller collection that a book belongs to. And so here we have a list for Sunrise that's like the easy picture books, easy fiction and nonfiction books, the nonfiction for like third and fourth graders, that kind of stuff. So if I was looking for a nonfiction book for a third grader and I wanted it on a certain level or within a text band, I can change this reading programs to say Fountas and Pinnell, and then select the text band that I'm specifically looking for. So if I'm looking for a student, somewhere between M and Q, I can leave this box blank. It will give me every book that's in the nonfiction collection at Sunrise that is in the text bands of M through Q. So you'll see they're leveled here. Now there are other books in the library that might be in those levels, but are not leveled in the Destiny catalog. And so if you find a book like that and you wish it was leveled and it came up in these results, let us know and we can add those. Those levels are provided to us through the company, and sometimes we add them on our own manually. So it's not every book, but you'll see there are 4 pages of nonfiction books here that fall between levels M and Q for the third and fourth graders at Sunrise. Perhaps you're at a different school. There are other sublocations that could also help. So JRG has several. The sublocations are listed here. So if you're looking for something that has a set, perhaps you're looking for a mystery suspense book for book club, so you want a couple of copies. Here you have your reading programs again, Fountas and Pinnell. You're looking through maybe like a U through a X, I don't know, I just made that up. You could, search ghosts or like something specific, and here we have a book that's about ghosts. It's a mystery suspense book from the sublocation, and it's a W. But you can also just easily leave this box blank, and it will give you every book that's in the mystery suspense book club category in the levels U through X. Hopefully that helps you as you're searching for books for your students. Thanks, bye.